Welcome to Easy Learn Online. Today we will discuss research aptitude. First question. Below are given two sets, research method set 1 and data collection tools set 2. Match the two sets and indicate your answer by selecting the correct code. Set 1 is research methods and set 2 is data collection tools. Here, A. Experimental method, B. Ex post facto method, C. Descriptive survey method, D. Historical method. And set 2. One is using primary and secondary sources. Second, questionnaire. Third, standardized test. Fourth, typical characteristics test. Options codes are first one A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Second one A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 1. Third one A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 4. Fourth one A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 1. Correct option is 2. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 2 and 4 is equal to D is equal to 1. Second question number 2. The issue of research ethics may be considered pertinent at which stage of research? Options at the stage of problem formulation and its definition. Second, at the stage of defining the population of research. Third, at the stage of data collection and interpretation. Fourth, at the stage of reporting the findings. Correct option is third one, at the stage of data collection and interpretations. Question number 3. In which of the following reporting format is formally prescribed? Options doctoral level thesis, conference of researchers, workshop and seminars, symposia. Correct option is first one, doctoral level thesis. Question number 4. Which of the following research types focuses on ameliorating the prevailing situations? Options fundamental research, applied research, action research, experimental research. Answer is third one, action research. Question number 5. A researcher's attempt to evaluate the effect of method of feeding on anxiety, pronouns of children. Which method of research would be appropriate for this? Options case study method, second one experimental method, third ex post facto method, fourth survey method. Correct option is third one, ex post facto method. Next, question number 6. In which of the following arrangements a wider spectrum of ideas and issues may be made possible? Options research article, option 2 workshop mode, options 3 conference, option 4 symposium. Correct answer is option 3 conference. Question number 7. Which of the following is susceptible to the issue of research ethics? Options inaccurate application of statistical techniques, option 2 faulty research design, option 3 choice of sampling techniques, option 4 reporting of research findings. Correct option is fourth one, reporting of research findings. Question number 8. There are two sets given below. Set 1 specify the types of research, while set 2 indicate their characteristics. Match 2 and give your answer by selecting the appropriate code. Set 1 is research types, set 2 characteristics. Set 1, A fundamental research, B applied research, C action research, D evaluative research. And set 2 characteristics. First, finding out extent of perceived impacts of intervention. Second, developing an effective explanation through theory building. Third, improving an existing situation through use of interventions. For exploring the possibility of a theory for use in various situations. Fifth, enriching technological resources. And given codes are: first, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 1. Second one, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 2. Third one, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 4. Fourth one, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, and D is equal to 5. And the correct code is: first one, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 1. Question number 9. Which of the sets of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? Options: reflect, observe, plan, act. Option 2, observe, act, reflect, plan. Option 3, act, plan, observe, reflect. Option 4, plan, act, observe, reflect. And correct option is plan, act, observe, reflect. Question number 10. Which of the following sequence of research steps is nearer to scientific method? Options: first one, suggested solution of the problem, then reducing the consequence of the solution, perceiving the problem situation, location of the difficulty and testing the solution. Perceiving the problem situation, locating the actual problem and its definition, hypothesizing, reducing the consequence of the suggested solution, and testing the hypothesis in action. Third option, defining a problem, identifying the cause of the problem, defining a population, drawing a sample, collecting data, and analyzing result. Fourth option is identifying the causal factor, defining the problem, developing a hypothesis, selecting a sample, collecting data, and arriving the generalization and conclusions. Correct option is third one, defining a problem, then identifying the causes of the problem, then defining a population, then drawing a sample, then collecting data and analyzing result. Question number 11. The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? Options: first, following the prescribed format of thesis. Option 2, data analysis through qualitative or quantitative techniques. Option 3, defining the population of research. Option 4, evidences based research reporting. Correct option is fourth one, evidence based research reporting. And question number 12. In which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? Option 1, preparing research summary. Option 2, presenting a seminar paper. Option 3, participation in research conference. Option 4, participation in a workshop. Answer is fourth one, participation in a workshop. Question number 13 and last one, Prime Minister Research Fellowship. PMRF is for students pursuing PhD program in subjects are option 1, state and central universities. Option 2, central universities, IISc, IITS, NITS, IICR and IIT. Option 3, IISc, IIT, NIT, IICR, IIT, state and central universities. And fourth, IITs and IISs. Correct option is fourth one, IITs and IIS. Thank you, Easy Learn online tutorial. Our specialty is online interactions and study materials and regular mock test and individual caring and doubt clearance and regular online classes. Please be connected 9567 643 605 or Easy Learn online tutorials easylearnonline@gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.